All right. Welcome back to another YouTube video here on Futures Trading with Mike. I appreciate everyone who's tuned in today, watching today's video. I'm a supply and demand style trader, so this is my live recorded session. This is what I do each and every day, is trade the Emini S&P 500. Okay, so I always like to start off by thanking everyone who is currently subscribed to the channel. Thank you to all the loyal supporters. Thank you for everyone who is a community member over on our Discord, where we have well over approaching almost 900 members now strong. So it must seem like as if we're doing something right, guys? So I appreciate everyone for all your support here on the channel. And let's go ahead and dive into today's live recorded session here, looking here at the market. Let's take a look at the higher time frame first, because I always like to kind of form some type of bias or direction of the markets. The last few days we have been getting a dip, it could be a retracement, but we have broken structure to the downside. I mean, we broke this area here. We've also broken this area down here. So, we could be forming more or so of a short bias right now, but that's not to say that this market could be just retracing or pulling back just to continue pushing higher, right? So, but in looking at the structure of the market right now off of a higher time frame, for me, this is my 60 range chart. I trade range-based charts. I would probably be looking for maybe more so short entries and looking at the overall direction of the market off the higher time frame. And looking at things right now, we are actually tapping into an area of supply off of the higher time frame. So, of course, if you definitely want to trade in confluence with the higher time frame, it gives you more confirmation, right? So being that we're tapping into an area of supply off of the higher time frame, I would be looking for short entries more so than anything, because we are actually pulling back into an area of supply. Okay, not support. If I said support, please forgive me, but I meant supply. Pulling back to an area of supply off of the higher time frame. There was supply sitting right here as well, but price pushed through it. So let's take a look here, as well as their supply tucked it back into this area here, the swing coming out to the downside. All right, so my bias would be to be taking entries short, okay? But we'll see what the market has to show us, or what will unfold today. We are at the upper end of this high volume area here. So yes, I always like to say, sell the highs and buy the lows, right? Okay, so looking here at the lower time frame, we were, trying to see if we can get into a position maybe to go short. But again, because of the market and looking at the higher time frame, we have what? We have the market breaking structure to the downside, as well as pulling back to an area of supply, right? Okay, so let's take a look at here at the lower time frame, just to see if we can capitalize on any particular type of opportunity here. And so far, I would be kind of definitely more so holding out right now, because we're at the high volume area right here, and I think we're dead smack at today's PLC. Yeah, we're trading around PLC. The market's a little volatile right now, so let's take a look here. And we have some pretty high impact news right now. CB consumer confidence right now going on. So there is a news that's out right now, or economic news event. So we're going to hold off right now and see if the market's going to kind of move away to the continue pushing the downside. Maybe come down and test these lows now. So my bias is kind of is more so short targeted. Because of the overall higher time frame. All right, so I'm just going to wait it out, wait for a few moments here. It's a little bit after, just a few minutes after 10 right now, to kind of let the things kind of clear out the airwaves when it comes to the news. Market's moving a bit sideways right now. You can see it. We got the VPOC sitting around this area right here, the daily POC. So I think the POC for today is right at 39, so that's right here, this area here on the 12 range chart. So just waiting it out to see. Look at the higher time frame again. I said we have supply resting in this area here. Market came down, broke through some structure to the downside as it was making its way, making lower lows and lower highs, pushing down, taking out this area here, which was a major area of structure here, okay, in this zone here. So pulling back, tapping in supply right here for all those that may not quite understand supply and demand, but there is supply off of the 60 range chart. Okay, so let's see. All right, Okay, so I'm waiting on to see what the market's going to do now. This is a supply zone sitting up here. This is resistance right here, but a supply resting right up here above, right around the 43.5 area. So we'll see if maybe price will pull back to the zone right here, this area, and maybe reject. But it could bounce right here and just keep pushing lower. But my interest would be this area right here. We'll see if price taps into it. So far, you're just getting some rejection. We got the POC right here. All right where price is bouncing at. You see it off the 4 range. You can see it there. The 4 range, that's my setup for my daily. And you can see the daily profile, and you see the POC right there. So I'm not too keen on going short from this area. I want to see it pull back, a little further. Retrace a little bit further, pull back into this area here, the zone here, and then maybe wait for some rejection to see what happens there. But the market is it's moving. I mean, it's a little volatile right now, so I'm gonna be very cautious to see. Yeah, it's pumping. So okay, just barely tapped into the zone, hit the box, the blue box right here. But we got the POC right below us, so I have to be mindful of that as well. Yeah, I'm gonna wait it out right here. See if we get some rejection off the supply zone here. But the market, it could push to the upside now. We are definitely kind of moving sideways right now. Be nice to see price reject this area and maybe try to aim back towards the low right here. But you take your trades based upon what the market, what's going on as far as price action. Following price action, back to a zone, waiting for the rejection, and then execute. Just gonna wait it out though. A lot of people asked about this line right here of this indicator. This is the VWAP. I don't. It's added to my chart, but I don't really place much preference on it or put a lot of, a lot of thought into following what's going on with the VWAP in relation to price action. Okay, so price may be trying to push higher. Not sure. It's moving sideways, just kind of zipping, moving here. We got a high right here now, off this leg to the upside, and there's a low back here. So we have a low here, a high here. Not sure if price is just going to range in this area around the POC, or if it's really going to continue pushing to the downside here, as we see on the higher time frame, with price making lower lows and lower highs now, breaking through structure. Just a matter of waiting to see what price is going to do. But we did break what I consider a major area of structure to the downside, and we'd have to wait it out now. I'll be interested in seeing price is going to break this area. I should reject this area and break down to the downside. But we'll see. We shall see here. Price trying to break higher. Looks like it's trying to. We'll see. I'm holding tight right now. Definitely holding tight right now. If it breaks higher, yeah, we'll see. Yep, broke higher. So this demand resting back here at the bottom right here, towards the lower portion of this area down here around 37. So I'm just going to wait to see what price is going to do. Yeah, I'm just waiting to see what price is going to do here. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to wait. Waiting to see what price is going to do. If it's going to, break this area right here, maybe come down to this zone down here. But it's hard to say at this point. So it broke a little higher here. Pull back, kind of zipping around right now. Let's see what happens. I say break below 45.25 pretty much, but below this area, I'm gonna take a quick scalp short if it does happen. Building some volume right here around 47. Wow, the market's trying to pump higher. Quite shocking when we have, this area where price can actually reject. It's in a tough area. This push down took out structure right here. So there's a lot of selling activity that took place in this area off the higher time frame. So it did bounce right here in this area when it got up to 47. But still, it's going to have to push through this area if it wants to continue pushing higher. Yeah, it's still trying to pump to the upside, isn't it? Let's see. Not 100% sure what it's trying to do here. Not yet. Nope. Let's see. Yeah, so the market is a little bullish this morning, but as I stated, this could just be a retracement pulling back to, we were tapping into a key area of supply off the higher time frame. So there could be some rejection in the zone here. So it's interesting to see what the market's going to do here. Yeah, you can see the market's moving real tight. I mean, small swings to the upside here. Just kind of breaking structure as it moves to the upside of breaking through levels. So making it tight, making it tough to really take any decent trades. I'll say that, okay? So just got to be very mindful. It looks like it's trying to take out some more areas of break through other areas of levels or levels to the upside here. But I'm still kind of stuck on the fact that we were in a major area where there was a lot of selling that took place on the higher time frame. Market's just chopping to the upside here. You see small little swings, so it's it's really tough trying to trade when you got price action like this right here. Moves are so tight together, so just have to be cautious and be patient. All right, so we got these tight movement to the upside is making these small little higher highs and higher lows. If price comes back to this area here around 53 below this high volume area here, and rejects it, I may be interested. There's a little demand zone right here, and rejects that area, and we get the rejection to the upside, then I'll be looking to take a quick scalp back up to this high right here around 60, 61. Okay, so we'll wait and just see what unfolds here. All right, tapping the zone now. Yeah, it's just a matter of waiting to see what price is going to do here. I want to go long, but it's a tough one here. Just have to wait to see if price is going to react here and give us a break in which we can try to take a long entry, or if it's just going to, what is it going to do here? we're at supply on the higher time frame, so it could reject these areas and just push lower. So, you know, a lot of selling took place on the 60 range where that supply zone was at. So price could be just pulling back to this area and, setting itself up to move lower. So we'll see. We will see. If it breaks lower beneath this area here, then I'll be looking for a retracement to go short. But where's the VPOC at? VPOC is still sitting around the 40 area. So let's see if we get a little break to the upside. It's projecting to push any higher at this moment. But that's not to say that it won't continue pushing higher. So I'm going to kind of stand down right now and wait it out to see what price is trying to do. Because, rejecting up here, the supply off the higher time frame, it could start turning around and breaking through, some areas or levels now. Yeah, so we'll see. It's building volume right here. We get the break here. We'll see. I'm not going to speak things into existence to be too quick on things. I'm going to wait it out. Just kind of wait to see what price is going to do here. Nope. Not yet. Not yet. All right. Oh, market is very sluggish today. Very tight, very sluggish. Not providing too much opportunity today. I do see some buying coming through a little bit, not much. Yeah, not sure. Not too keen at this time. You gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Let the trades unfold. A lot of people are very impulsive and they take a trade real quick and then the market turns back around against them. You cannot be impulsive in trading. You have to be very sit on your hands. Like today is a great example of having to sit on your hands. So because there's not much activity. I mean, it's just not a lot going on. Moving sideways here and breaks, start to see these little swings to the upside. Very tight movement. So you just got to wait it out. Got to wait it out. Got to wait it out. Yeah. Horrible price action today. All right, let's see if price breaks up to the upside now. Or, if you can get a quick scalp here. I'm not sure. Looks like we're getting a little buying coming in. Just looking at the cumulative delta, but I'm not trading because of the cumulative delta. It's telling me to. I'm just, looking to see all things inclusive, but really paying attention to price action. More so than anything. So I'm just going to be patient. Wait. I do see some buying coming in. The market could fold right back down. So look at this. Just horrible. Just horrible. Look at it. Yeah. Nope. Not for me. Not for me yet. Let's wait to see what happens here. Hmm. Hmm. Um. Hmm. I'm going long. Yeah, I'm going long here. First contract right there. Second one, I'm gonna put it up here at the top, at the highs here. Okay. Come on. It's long entry, taking it back up to the tops. Hopefully we get filled here. Load this up a little bit. Let me see here. Come on, baby. All right. Just going to stay in this trade here. Hopefully we get filled here. Just taking it back up to the highs, like I said. Going to wait this trade out. I don't want to see price really break below this area here at 51. And we do have a half number right there at 50, so yeah. Come on. And to really protect your trade, you can actually put your stop right here below 53. Be very, 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 if you're very conservative. Right below your, pretty much the candle, what you entered the trade in. But for me, I would put it back here at this area of demand right here. So hopefully we get filled here. Market today. Hopefully it fills our order here. Not liking price action and having to wait around too much. I mean, it's almost 11:30 my time, and this would be my first entry onto a trade today. So I know I'm going long into supply. This is a pullback, trying to scalp real quick off a lower time frame, off the 12 range. So first contract's filled there. I'm probably going to go ahead and lock in my I'm gonna go ahead and take out right here. Look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and take out right here, okay, and just get some profit in for today. All right. Yeah, not much going on today, considering price action. I mean, we're both contracts got filled there, moving sideways, building volume at the tops up here. So I'm just gonna wait. I mean, you gotta be in price action in days like this. When you see this type of price movement, you have to really sit on your hands and not be very impulsive at trading, because being impulsive would put you in a bad situation or get you in a bad situation. So you have to just let the trades unfold and be able to see them. But when you have tight movement like this, and in which you only are able to grab a few points at a time, then you have to be very cautious and make sure to, first of all, execute the trade dead on point, and secondly, be looking for the right setups. Okay, and we're still pushing higher, trying to edge our way higher, but as I said, we have a pretty decent area of resistance above on the higher time frame, so price is going to have to kind of chew its way through that area if it wants to push higher. So right now I'm going to stand down. I'm not saying I'm done, but I'm maybe done for this video, but I might not be done for the day trading. So I'm gonna wait it out for maybe about another half an hour and see what actually unfolds. But one trade in so far today because of the market conditions. So we'll see. So not a lot of activity going on today. So I'm going to close out this session here. I only took one trade into this session because of price movement, price action. You just have to pay close attention to what's going on, and the market's being very stubborn today. It's not allowing too much room to do much trading, so you have to be very restrictive as to paying attention to what's going on overall in the market. But yeah, I'm gonna close this video out here. And to anyone out there who's interested in joining our Discord community, I mentioned we're approaching close to 900 members now, community members. This is the Discord. There's two channels on there, the trading floor and then the general chat. The trading floor is for individuals that are looking to share their trade entries, as you just saw one pop up right here. I took a trade today. That's the trade that I posted that you see here in the video now. I just posted that. I had posted that on Discord earlier, but it's just an opportunity for traders to be able to share the trade entries. We screenshot our entries so that others who are part of the community can grasp an understanding of and reasoning why we took our trade. So, again, we have approaching 900 members now that have joined the community. We also have a general chat channel. So if you're a futures trader, again, a futures trader that's interested in joining the channel, this is a channel to where you can simply ask questions to other fellow traders here within the community about the future markets. Okay, so it must be surrounding discussion of the future markets. All right. Outside of that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys in this video here. Yep, not a lot took place today, not a lot of trade entries. I'll look forward to the afternoon session to see if anything unfolds, but right now, not too much going on. So I appreciate everyone who's tuned in to the video today, who's been watching it. Sorry there wasn't a bunch of trade entries taken, but I just had to be very cautious and be very patient. And patience is the key, or a key component to trading if you want to become consistent and profitable in this business. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I highly recommend and definitely would appreciate it if you just simply click on the subscribe button down below. Make sure to turn all your post notifications on so you never miss one of the uploads here on the channel. Click on the bell and become a subscriber here on Futures Trading with Mike. Okay, thank you to everyone who's followed today's video, is currently watching today's video. But please make sure to drop a like on the video, and I appreciate it. Take care. See you in the next one.